Yeah.
This is Joel Roberts calling from the TY Animal Shelter. How you doing today?
Call from who?
Great. Well, I'm calling with great news. We found your cat. It seems to be doing really well. No sign of injury. Excuse me? This is odd. We see your phone number on the ID collar. There must have been some mistake.
Don't fool around, okay?
So you're
Otherwise,
telling
I
me this
call the
isn't your
cops.
cat? Oh, all right. One second.
Don't be stupid, okay?
This isn't their cat. Oh, really? Yeah. It must be wrong tag. Oh,
Yeah.
shame.
Go home and sleep.
This one.
Just go home and sleep,
What about
okay?
the papers for? We'll sleep in the morning. We'll do. Sorry. Are you still there?
Otherwise, I call the cop, okay?
Okay. Looks like we have everything sorted out.